In today's video, we are going to discuss what is the importance of GOMPHRENA Globosa and what are its traditional uses, all coming up in this video. GOMPHRENA Globosa flower is used in traditional medicines to treat problems with colecos, diabetes, and prostate and reproductive systems. It is also used to cure various installation issues including cough, asthma and bronning, and kidneys and urine systems. It contains vitamin C and E and is thought to grow fatigued and slow. It has been used to treat stomach trouble and has also been used to treat the colke in children. Globe tea is called to help prevent hair fall and can help delay the damage of amino acids. For centuries, Globe tea was known for curing high blood pressure around the world. Oils available in these flowers are helpful to reduce blood pressure. It can also help you treat chronic inflammation. Globe Amaranth herbal tea is an excellent anti-inflammation agent that effectively removes headache, throat, cold, bronze, laryngitis, sound, and removes symptoms of asthma. It is also a tea that is regularly drunk to prevent cancer, reduces bad cholesterol, and works as a natural tranquilizer. Globe Amaranth tea is used for a child's grip, oliguria, and diabetes. It is also known to help the shortage of breath and is used for many breathing treatments conditions, such as bronchial asthma, sharp and chronic bronchitis. The lack of dry material or inflorescences is used for bronchial asthma, fast, and chronic bronchitis. In Myanmar, the plant approach is used for eating cough. In Ghana, different plant infusions of white flowers are used as a diabetes treatment. Globosa leaves and flowers used as folk treatments for oliguria, heat and empacho, high blood pressure, antioxidant, antimicrobial, cough, diabetes, kidney problems, holes, bronze, pounds, high cholesterol, and other respiratory disorders is done. It is also used as a crushing paste, which is applied to the affected part and covers with the leaves of the same plant, as the treatment of body wound. So these are the traditional uses of GOMPHRENA Globosa, which we wanted to share with you. As you can see that Globosa leaves and flowers have so many traditional uses and are beneficial in many ways. There is another video on our channel about the 6 health benefits of GOMPHRENA Globosa. Click the I button on this video to watch it now if haven't watched it already. And that's it for today's video. If you think this was a helpful video, then share it with your friends and family. We share interesting health videos on our YouTube channel every day. Subscribe to our channel and be a part of a healthy community.